Like, I need the opposite. I need like dx dt times 1 over x.
I don't know, I guess research in general is just kind of fun because I'm going to factor out the x and see if anything's different, even though I know for a fact it's not going to be. It's like some periods are like kind of rough and then others are like really fun, so it's the balance of research, I guess.
The REU program, or Research Experience for Undergraduates, is a National Science Foundation funded program that allows us to bring 9 undergraduate students from colleges and universities all across the United States to Ursinus College's campus for 8 weeks during the summer to work on original research problems in mathematics, computer science, and statistics. One of the things that's really exciting about our program is that it's for the students who are still trying to find their place in college, find their niche, and it gives them an opportunity to come here and learn what is mathematics all about. That, for me, is one of my favorite things about this program, the ability to give students this opportunity.
I looked at their website and they seem to really focus on investing in us as students, and a lot of RUs don't really do that. They're more oh, we just want you to do the research and that's all we care about. But they wanted to focus on your individual development plan and working with you to see what you want to do.
The REU, how it works is we have Dr. Scoville running it. Some days he has events planned for us, so that's workshops. So today we actually have a grad school workshop where we're going to talk about applying to grad school, what you want to do before grad school, things like that.
Doing research in a situated RU like this is a very good thing. We could see do we like this area of math or do we like another area of math more, see what we would want to focus on maybe in grad school research. So yeah, it's just a very useful experience, I'd say.
What Ursinus does best is it changes lives of students and allows them to succeed in ways that they never thought possible. Students who don't think they're cut out for math research, don't think they can make it in computer science, and they learn things about themselves that they never knew that they